Hello! Uptown Swing Level 4.
Hey, that's Brian.
That's Stacia. Variations Month.
Uh-huh.
We started by talking about the basic step and how footwork variations and variations themselves are not just fancy footwork. They can also be putting a new rhythm on the same steps. So the first one we had was this hold ball change. Show 5, 6, set, and a hold ball change, triple, step, step, triple step, you ba da ha. The next one we had was early 2, ba ba, triple, step, step, triple, ba ba, triple, step, step, triple, hey ah, triple, step, step, triple, step. Then we went and we did we worked with the triple step and we did a ball change step. Instead of a triple step, it was a rock, step, ball change, step. Step, triple step, rock, step, ball change, step, step, triple step.
And then?
We went to that, even the triplet.
And we just
that one
sort of took the swing out of it.
Yeah. Boom, ba, 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 hey. Ba, 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 boom, ba, 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 hey. Boom, ba, ba. And then we mashed them all together. So we'll show them individually in a swing out. Let's go this way. Start with the hold ball change. Zoop, boom, boom, ha, ah, hold ball change, hey. Let's do the syncopated too. Ha, ah, wee, ha, ha, boom, ba, ha. The ball change step. 1, 2, ball change step. Boom, zoop. 1, 2, ba da, hey, ha. Then the triplet. Wa, ba, 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 hey. Boom, ba, 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 hey. And that's a what? A wing, a dip.